I laid an egg.
I got cinnamon out of my nose when I was like putting it in my
I can do it, Mommy.
And there she goes.
That's your back, Nar.
I was not talking to myself on the camera.
I was talking to myself on the phone and the phone talked back to me and it freaked me right out. Will you be there?
I hope you know this is going on YouTube.
What are you talking on the phone?
I'm not on the phone, I'm making a video. You're in it either way.
I gotta go.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
What are you doing?
You talking to me?
Yeah. I can't get down, I can't get down.
So they can't be starving or just being proud saying you don't need it. Holy Christ, I beat you.
I love you too.
I wish I said the trumpet.
What?
I got the case of the sniffleupagus. I feel in the mood to have an epic dance battle. Okay. I'm just really thirsty. I can't.
Ew. That's my sister. She's trying to send
Oh my goodness. You're too funny.
I'm getting a glass of more of that. Whatever. So when I was doing this,
I swallowed it.
was
Cinnamon.
yours girl?
Okay, you can end it.
You ready?